This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Release the two locking tabs at the sides of the top cover, then remove the cover. Pull the air filter out of the housing. Wipe or vacuum out the inside of the housing. Install the new filter into the housing, noting the correct direction of the bottom notch. Install the top cover, locking the side tabs securely in place.